Hello friends, welcome to Indigo Inspirations. In today's video, I will be showing you how to convert this plain simple black dress into a beautiful function-worthy dress. I did the beadwork on this dress about 3 years ago, and at the time I wasn't into video making. So in this video, I will be showing you how I did the beadwork on a plain black cloth. You will need some beads. I used pearls, and these pearls are easily available in sewing supply stores or fancy stores or craft stores. Since this was a black dress, I used matching black thread to stitch the beads. So on the black cloth, I first drew the neckline, and about 1 centimeter below that, I drew another line to evenly space out the beads. When I had stitched this on the dress, I hadn't drawn a second line and I had just eyeballed the spacing between the beads. This is also possible. When stitching the pearls, make sure that you stitch every pearl individually and tie a knot for each one of them instead of using one continuous thread. Using one continuous thread could make it look messy from the back, and in addition, later on, if you use one single thread to stitch your beads in a continuous manner, if one thread breaks, you could lose all your beads. After you finish stitching your first row of beads, you can start with the second row. Every bead in the second row is stitched between two beads of the first line. I continued this pattern for 4 rows, and then for the following 3 rows, I had increased the spacing between the beads. I left about 1 centimeter gap between them. For the last evenly spaced row, I left about an inch gap. Then, to give the dress a little more starry look, I placed the rest of the beads in a more scattered form below, and I used differently sized beads. As you can see here, I've used smaller beads too. And that's how you can make your dress look even more beautiful. If you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel and check out our other videos. And make sure to share this with your friends and family. See you next time.